Hi guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be playing some murder mystery and some bed wars. Oh, sorry. Okay, so unfortunately Abby is not picking up the phone, so I'm just going to be playing by myself. So let's just go. So guys, I'm sorry that I've been not posting lately. It's just that I haven't really got anyone to post with except Abby. And Abby doesn't really play Roblox and she doesn't really play Minecraft. She just likes Fortnite. So there will be Fortnite videos coming very soon. Just I need to figure out some stuff with my younger brother who is addicted to Fortnite, unfortunately. So then we can play some Fortnite. Also, whoa, already? Okay, so wonder who the murderer is. Hmm, I don't want to show anyone that I'm the murderer. Sorry if you can hear some background noises, that's just my... Oh! Oh dear, oh shit, how in the fucking world? Okay, please let me go. Okay, thanks. Let's go back to the Bed Wars lobby. Maybe I'll have better luck with that. Okay, so if you ever want to friend me on this, I'm all in. I mean, sure, I can be friends with you, just please don't be a hater. Don't hate on me just because I have no subscribers yet. Just, I'm pretty sure you guys like to see me rush. Or like to see me pissed off, so let's fucking do this! Okay, so I'm in the lobby, I'm being prepared. Download. Okay. Oh, damn it. I didn't get the time to say it. Oh, well, looks like I'm playing fours. Fours okay. Fours okay. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I always do go better with a team. Well, damn. Okay, so on this Bed Wars, you get a you get you get gold from here. So let me do this. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I may have just messed up. I have 20 gold. Got some emeralds. I'm gonna get some permanent this. Get some of those. Damn it. Okay, so I'm going to upgrade 6. I have 1 diamond. Okay, so I got an alarm trap. Hopefully that will do. So I don't want to have to... Here, buddy, do you need some gold? Alarm, alarm. Killed him. See that? You see that? Where's the guy that just died? Do you need some gold? Here you go. Have some gold. You're welcome. Let's go Unity. Let's go this. Stupid blue. Won't leave us alone, will they? No one ever does. Fuck me. Stupid ass blue won't leave us alone. Okay, let me grab the diamonds. Thank you. Don't know what to do. I'm thinking maybe I should... Oh, damn it. Should I upgrade? I'm gonna upgrade our armor.
It's
oh,
10:30.
Someone's already upgraded it. Let me go heal pool. Let me buy a trap. Okay, let me just get some stuff, you know. I want 6, how much is it for armor? 6 emeralds for, golden armor. I'm gonna go to mid. I don't care if anyone gets 1 gold and some iron. I mean, iron's crabby. Okay, I've got it. Okay, let's go. Got it. So I've got 4. I just need 2 more. Hopefully our spawner... Oh, I just broke it. Okay. Let me go check diamonds. Oh, no, that guy's already got them. I've got 1. Okay, Abby hasn't texted back. Back to game. Should I go and check mid again? Yeah, I feel like I should. Just because, you know. Oh, what's yellow doing? I wonder. Oh, I've got 3. I've got 3. 3! No one's checked it for that long. Oh, now I've got 5. I've got 10 emeralds. I mean, I honestly thought that people were gonna take them, but they didn't. You know, I'm gonna give someone an emerald just for being... Well, damn. I'm gonna keep this diamond sword for safekeeping. And I'm gonna get some stuff. feel like someone's invisible, just I don't know it. You know that? Shh, don't make a sound. What? Why? You're crazy. That's impossible. Especially on Minecraft. Very, very impossible. Okay, anyway, let's get on with this video. Impossible! Impossible. So I'm going to just make stuff. Yellow and base. Buddy, you're crazy. Damn it. I'm failing miserably at this. Okay. Ha ha ha. There we go. They will never come here ever again. Okay, so I've got 30. Mining fatigue trap. Blue was here. They're here somewhere. They've got to be. They've got to be here somewhere. Oh, they're gonna kill you right after the bat. Okay, so I've killed someone. Oh, I've got 2 kills. How remarkable. Okay, well, why am I speaking this accent? Oh my god, I'm such a noob. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I'm part of the KKK. No, I'm not. I promise. Your people are gonna be like, oh my god! How dare all of you? Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here with me dying. I hope you all had a lovely video, and I'll see you all next time. Over and out.